my time, you all I want. Neither of us wanna be alone.
Okay, g'day, Rudy here. We're looking at one of the darlings of our share market, Xero, on a monthly chart. And has it come to its end of a perfect, from a technical charting point of view, it's a thing of beauty. But is the beauty about to fall over? So let's explore. So it began its life with a perfect rounding bottom, one of my favourite patterns before liftoff, and then even remarkably in terms of a fib extension. So usually with a rounded bottom, you'd expect it to go to the 2 level. So it hit the 2. So usually the 2 levels, pretty good resistance. So that means that from here to here, you add that move on top of this. So it hit the 2 level, and it just kept going. It kept going right up. So the 4.618, not many people get up that high, but it had a double top. You can see there, the top couldn't break that top, so that became resistance. Just get rid of that fib. So well done, Xero. Okay, so we've had a double top, which is a negative pattern. So, well, in the meantime, it formed this beautiful uptrend line after. So once it broke out from resistance, beautiful uptrend line, even more bullish when it breaks out of it. But it couldn't get. It was going a bit too fast. Then it broke down from this channel and retraced. And again, Fibonacci is good for retracements. So if you look at retracement, so from this move here up to that move there, it retraced 78.6%. So that's a decent retracement. That's quite a deep one. Usually if it's a bullish sign, it'll retrace at the 50. But it didn't. It came all the way back down. People would have been doubting themselves at this stage. But another textbook move by Xero. Okay, and then it started an uptrend channel, which also then formed the basis for this longer term channel here. So now we've got this high and this low, so we could build a longer channel. Anyway, off she went, meandering along all the way, smashed through the resistance with a big monthly green candle, went up. You can see that little point there, touched the top, perfect picture. But now, look at her, or him. Yeah, so let's bring it down to a weekly chart. So it's not far away from saying good night, unfortunately, for Mr. Xero. Just bring it back to. So basically a big red candle below this trend line won't be good news for Xero, but it's had a great fight. You can see here a big red candle, and that just put an end to it. It then took, so once it broke it from January 22 to really May 24, so a good 2 years before it got back to where it was over here. And if it's going to do another textbook retracement, so from this low to that high, there we go. So the 78.6 retracement would put it down to this trend line. Now that's not going to happen overnight like this. So anyway, it looks like it's good night, Irene, for Xero. And again, like all things, you don't start buying until you get some sort of rounding thing. But it looks like it's going to be a while before Xero's a buy. Unfortunately, it's been a darling. Alright, see you Xero. Right. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that video. Just to know that there's plenty of videos on my homepage. I've got a section on videos on the gold silver series and why I'm bullish on them, a section on Aussie miners, a section on ETFs ready to buy or sell, a section on shares ready to buy or sell, some forecasts of the market in there, some crackers, some reviews of what the experts tell you and how much crap they can talk, some educational videos, some charting education videos, some videos on how my performance is going to show I know what I'm talking about, and some videos on crypto. So how can you get there easily? In the description page of each video, just click on down here and that'll take you there. All right.